Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can unblock someone on Snapchat. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Snapchat application on your device, then get logged into your account. Here at the homepage of Snapchat, you need to tap on the profile icon on top left corner. Inside your profile, you need to tap on settings icon on top right side of your screen. Inside the settings section, you need to scroll to the very end. There you can see the option of blocked. You need to tap on it and you will be able to see the block list that you have blocked from your Snapchat. So to unblock the user on Snapchat, you just need to tap on the cross just beside of the user. You tap on it. Here, are you sure want to unblock the Snapchatter? Yes, you tap on yes, and with that, the blocked Snapchatter will be unblocked. That means there will be no block list on your Snapchat. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can unblock someone on Snapchat. Thank you.